We come in a little bit light this month, 143,000, and last month revised up to 307 from 256, which we all thought was really big at that time. The unemployment rate, it goes down by a tenth of a percentage point. Now, remember, we have revisions to the household survey. We'll have to see if that figures into it, but it is still showing a tight labor market. Change in non-farm payrolls, as I mentioned, 143,000. To that, you have to add 100,000 more in terms of revisions to November and December. The private payrolls go up by 111,000. Manufacturing payrolls up by 3,000. Remember, ADP had said we lost 13,000 jobs there. Average hourly earnings extremely strong, up 0.5% last month, and the forecasts were both for 0.3. That pushes the average hourly earnings on a year-over-year basis up to 4.1% from 3.9%. And as I mentioned, the unemployment rate, 4%. Labor force participation rate goes up a tick, 62.6. All of this to suggest that maybe what we have seen here is the Biden administration go out on a high note. It'll be very interesting to see what the White House, the current White House, says about all this. In terms of the revisions, payroll employment for November revised up by 49,000, December by 51,000. That's how we get the 100,000 total. And then a quick look at the revisions. We are looking at a level 511,000 below what we had for the year prior to this. That's over all of the months. They divided out over the months of the past year, and we do get some negative numbers here, I believe. No, not even October. October we go up. Some people thought that one might be negative. And then in terms of the population controls, population changes, 2,871,000. That is much lower than the 3,047,000 that they had already thought. So your difference is 176,000. Now, all those revisions essentially meaningless to the Fed. It will get some political talk, but the bottom line is hiring a little weaker, but unemployment 4.0%.